Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. This is the Canon newest camera. This is the M50. This is their first mirrorless camera with 4K. However, this is a nice and lightweight package, but the 4K has a quite major crop. So if you are going to film yourself with, you need to buy like the 10 to 22 lens. So it's much easier to film yourself. So 4K, it's only in 24p. And not in like 30 or 25p. The jello, it has quite the jello effect in 4K. A lot of people have been complaining about the 4K autofocus, but it doesn't seem to be quite an issue here. We have it in 4K mode and it does seem to capture and focus quite well. So I've been testing it for a bit here at the Canon booth, and I have to say the M50 for vlogging and for all of like YouTube views, I would say it could be a nice camera for like just it static on a tripod. However, if you are vlogging and walking around, the jello is just a bit too much on this camera, especially in 4K mode. I wouldn't really recommend it. If you are looking for a vlogging camera, there be other options that are better than this. But this is a good thing that Canon is operating now, making sure that also their entry-level cameras will have 4K. So we'll be seeing a lot more 4K cameras from Canon in the future.